Hello, good afternoon. It's Saturday, August 3rd, and my name is Dawn Ashmore, and I'm an Amazon affiliate. This is my unboxing video. I have some hair products from Amazon that I would like to share with you. And this is my box from Amazon, you can see. Okay, I have lace front glue bond for your lace front wigs, ladies. Check this out on Amazon. The links will be in the description. Also, I have a set of rollers so I can set my hair. I have roller clips, and I have a free gift, a comb and wig brush combination. And I got this all from Amazon, which I ordered yesterday, and it came today, which is Saturday. All right, so I just wanted to share with my audience how Amazon is selling good hair products. I will leave the links in descriptions, and you can follow my link to the store. Have a good day.